Let's go. Let's go.
People spend a ton of time and mental energy thinking about, worrying about, and trying to remember all the actions that are in someone else's court that they're waiting for. So go easy on yourself and just make a waiting for or a waiting on list. This is a great home for things that you're waiting for someone else to deliver to you. That could be a reimbursement or feedback on a paper that you're waiting for someone to send. I like to word each of the items in my waiting for list according to the person. I might say, I'm waiting for Sarah, and I might say feedback on my white paper, and then the last part is I'll put the date when she said she'd get it to me by. When you do that, then you don't have to think about or worry about each of those items. Saves you a ton of mental energy. Thanks for watching. Visit my website at oneproductiveminute.com for more tips and resources.